My name's Timo, and this is the Timo Show. And in this video, we're going to talk about this $275 solar panel cleaning job that we got using Facebook ads. It was a first-time cleaning, and we were able to lock them into a quarterly contract. And I'll tell you for how much. But first, if you'd like to see exactly how I run my Facebook ads, check out the top link in the comment section and the description below, and that'll take you to the Solar Panel Cleaning Academy. You guys will learn my proven ad strategy that I use with Facebook and other social media, how to properly clean, so licensing, insurance. Also, I'll include my pricing structure, my upsell techniques. I mean, this thing has some girth. And right now, I'm offering $100 off for the first 100 customers when you use the promo code SOLAR1. Check out the top links in the description and the pinned comment below. And let's get back into the video. We're in the early days of spring, and spring is the beginning of the busy season, especially for solar panel cleaners. And with temperatures steadily rising, I thought it'd be a good idea to mention the reasons why I like starting early in the morning and why it's extremely important, especially this time of year, across many categories in this line of work. First and foremost, max profit. You know, it's longer days, so the earlier you get out there, the more daylight you have to utilize, which means the more panels you have. And even though the sun's up, doesn't mean you can work the whole day, and we'll get to that later. Secondly, protect the panels from cracking. Now, I've never had this happen to me, but I have heard that this is a common mistake that some beginners make, is they get onto a roof when it's scorching hot, and you put that cool water on them and they crack. Now, I've never had that problem, but this is something to be aware of. Third, back to what I said earlier about working daylight hours. Now, starting earlier in the day is going to be the best way to get the most jobs done during this time of year. And the reason is because 1 p.m. should be your very last appointment on the days where the temperatures are expected to be above 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'm not sure about your location, but for me, 1 p.m. is really when it begins to heat up. So for me, no exceptions. The very last appointment booked for any day that is projected to be above 80 degrees will always be forever and always 1 p.m. or 1:30, but at the very latest 1:30. Now, this policy that I put in place can protect clients' property. It protects my equipment. It also minimizes risks of injury and damage, to customers' property and my own property. For example, like dark roof shingles, asphalt shingles, typically can heat up 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit above the ambient temperature. So that means like the shingles and tools and different things sitting on top of the roof for an extended period of time, those things can reach temperature of 160 degrees and higher on a 100-degree day. And I'll tell you that from experience, I've been on roofs like these at this temperature, and it feels like my shoe soles are melting, seriously. And not to mention that the water that's in the hose, it gets extremely hot, like too hot, like it can scald you, like it's scorching hot, which again puts you and others at risk for injury from the scalding water. And we usually switch to different grade hoses once it gets to be warm, and this helps combat the hot water sitting in the lines. So we locked this address in for a quarterly service at $225 per cleaning. And if you guys are still watching, make sure to put the word early in, and I'll make sure to hashtag you guys a real one. So add this service to your existing business or as an upsell. Start your own solar panel cleaning business today by checking out those links in the description and the pinned comment below. And remember, anything's possible, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.